We shall continue with the chapter the S block elements. Group 1 and group 2 elements are known as the S block elements. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium are the group 1 elements. Lithium being the first element differs from the rest of the elements. Lithium is diagonally related to magnesium. So let us now discuss the similarities between lithium and magnesium. Both lithium and magnesium are harder and lighter. They react slowly with water. Oxides and hydroxides are less soluble. Hydroxides decompose on heating. Lithium forms lithium nitride Li3N. Magnesium forms magnesium nitride Mg3N2. Lithium oxide Li2O and magnesium oxide MgO do not combine with oxygen to give superoxide. Carbonates decompose easily to form oxides and carbon dioxide. Solid hydrogen carbonates are not formed. Lithium chloride as well as magnesium chloride are soluble in ethanol. Lithium chloride and magnesium chloride are deliquescent. So these are the similarities between lithium and magnesium. Next we shall learn about group 2 elements. Group 2 elements are known as alkaline earth metals. The various group 2 elements are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Next we shall discuss about the electronic configuration of group 2 elements. From the electronic configuration of group 2 elements, it will be clear that they have 2 electrons in the s orbital of the valence shell. For example, if we consider beryllium atomic number 4, the electronic configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2. Magnesium atomic number 12, the electronic configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Thus, we can find that group 2 elements have ns2 general outer electronic configuration. Their compounds are ionic in nature. Next, we shall discuss about the atomic and ionic radii of group 2 elements. Group 2 elements are smaller than those of the corresponding alkali metals. It is due to an increase in the nuclear charge. We know that as we move across a period, atomic size decreases. It is because of increase in nuclear charge. Within the group, atomic and ionic radii increase with increase in atomic number. So as we move down the group, atomic radii increases. It is because there is an increase in atomic number. And we also know that as we move down the group, new shells will be added, as a result of which atomic as well as ionic radii increase with increase in atomic number or as we move down the group. Next, we shall discuss about the ionization enthalpies of group 2 elements. Group 2 elements have comparatively low ionization enthalpies. It is due to the large size of the atoms. Ionization enthalpy decreases down the group. So if we consider group 2 elements, as we move down the group, ionization enthalpy will decrease. It is because we know that as we move down the group, atomic size increases, as a result of which the valence electron will be far away from the nucleus. Therefore, lesser amount of energy will be required to remove if an electron is far away from the nucleus. Next, we shall discuss about the first ionization enthalpies of group 2 metals. The first ionization enthalpies of group 2 metals are found to be higher than those of the corresponding group 1 metals. It is because of their small size. Alkaline earth metals are comparatively smaller than the alkali metals. Second ionization enthalpies of group 2 metals are smaller than those of the alkali metals. Hydration enthalpies. Consider the group 2 metal ions beryllium 2+, magnesium 2+, calcium 2+, strontium 2+, and barium 2+. Out of these various metal ions, beryllium 2+ is the smallest ion and hence it will be heavily hydrated. Therefore, beryllium 2+ will be having the highest hydration enthalpy. The hydration enthalpies varies in the order beryllium 2+ greater than, magnesium 2+ greater than, calcium 2+ greater than, strontium 2+ greater than, barium 2+. Hydration enthalpies of alkaline earth metal ions are larger than those of alkali metal ions. It is because we know that alkaline earth metal ions are smaller than the alkali metal ions. Next, we shall discuss the physical properties of group 2 elements. Group 2 elements are silvery white and they are lustrous. Melting and the boiling points are higher due to small sizes. They have low ionization enthalpies and hence they are strongly electropositive. The electropositive character increases down the group. Now consider calcium, strontium and barium. They impart characteristic color to the flame. Calcium imparts brick red color to the flame, whereas strontium imparts crimson color and barium imparts apple green color to the flame. So why do calcium, strontium and barium salts impart color to the flame? It is because the electrons are excited to higher energy level, and when these electrons come back to ground state, energy will be emitted in the form of visible light. Now consider beryllium and magnesium. They do not impart color to the flame. What is the reason? It is because in the case of beryllium and magnesium, the electrons are strongly bound and hence not excited by flame.